I'm going to be improving my air compressor. But before that, let's cue the intro. So, currently we're letting epoxy sit on there. We just applied some, but this was an old fire extinguisher. Here's the compressor. We couldn't braze it, so we're using epoxy. I have not figured out which way we're going to mount this compressor yet, but eventually we'll figure that out. But we got some fittings that will hopefully work, and maybe we'll get a good air compressor, or at least good enough. So that's currently my air compressor, just a little update. There will be more clips in this video the more I add. So here's my air compressor. We needed to put a different fitting because this just was not going on. But the needle doesn't move on this for some reason, even though it's obviously building up pressure. This needle, I think, this could be its lowest position it can go in. So we had a couple problems, but overall, it still works as an air compressor / balloon inflator. So that's my compressor. Bye.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, God.